Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elgo online class. Today we have to cover Unit 7 and Day 14. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Let us move over today's class. First of all, I will teach you a phonics section. Right? Just we have to recap the segmenting. Do you know that? Yes, today we will use segmenting of sounds to write the words. We have already done for this earlier. Do you remember? Yes, segmenting means listening to the word and breaking the sounds we hear. Right? Are you ready, my dear children? Now I will say the word, you listen carefully. Mop, 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 mop. Did you hear the word? Yes. Mop. What is the beginning sound? Now I write the sound letter. Next. Mop. Mop. What is the middle sound of this letter? Mop. 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 P. P. What is the end sound? B. B. So, what is the sound? Three-letter word? Mop. 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 Let us see some more examples. Zip. 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 What is the beginning sound? Z. Z. Zip. Zip. Middle sound. Zip. E. E. End sound. P. P. Yes. Zip. Zip. Next word. Bit. 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 What is the beginning sound? Bit. Yes. B. B. Bit. Bit. Middle sound. Bit. E. Yes. T. 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 So what is the word? Bit. Mop. Zip. Bit. Right? Yes. Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. Now, take your notebook. Take the phonics section. Now, I will say some words. You will write that. Okay? Yes. I will give 3 seconds time. You have to open your notebook. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. I hope you are all opened your notebook. Shall I say now? Dog. 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 Yes. I'll give 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. You're all finished. Next. Fin. 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 Once again. Fin. Yes, I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, next. Wig. 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 Can you identify the word? Yes, let us write now. You have to use the sounds to write these words, okay? Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Next. Zip. 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 Yes, write neatly, my dear children. I'll give 5 seconds time. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. I hope you are all finished. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us check your answers. Dog, fin, wig, zip. Correct it now. If you make a mistake means what you have to do. You'll write 5 times in your notebook, my dear children. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us move to the whole word section. Today you have to do the dictation, okay? Now you will take your notebook also. Get ready for the dictation. Let us recap some whole words. See the flashcards. Listen carefully. See this. What is this? Very. 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 V-E-R-Y. Very. Okay. Write down your notebook. Has. Has. H-A-S. Has. 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 Write 5 times in your notebook. Long. Long. L-O-N-G. Long. 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 Write the spelling, okay? Yes. Write neatly. After that, we have to do the dictation. Long. Let us move the next word. Fast. 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 F-A-S-T. Fast. 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 Louse. 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 L-O-V-E-S. Louse. Leaves. L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. Leaves. L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. Gave. G-A-V-E. Gave. 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 Ears. Y-E-A-R-S. Ears. Ears. Y-E-A-R-S. Ears. Heard. H-E-A-R-D. Heard. H-E-A-R-D. Heard. Saw. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Saw. Yeah, we recap that whole words. Now dictation time. I'll give 5 seconds time. You have to ready to write the dictation, my dear children. I'll start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you are all ready for write the dictations. Shall I say some words? Are you ready to write? Yes. Louse. Louse. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Next. Fast. 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 Did you hear the word? You have to write down your notebook. Write neatly. Don't scribble, my dear children. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Next word. Leaves. 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 Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Next word. Saw. 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 Yes. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Next. Heard. 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 Yes, I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next. Gave. Gave. Yes, write neatly. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Yeah, let us check your answers, my dear children. Love, fast, lives, saw, heard, gave. If you make a mistake means you will write three times for each word, okay? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us move the next session, reading and listening comprehension. Shall we recap the sequencing events? Yes. Now you will open your SR book, SR 16, page number 59, Leela and Bird. Leela and the bird story, okay? I'll give 5 seconds time. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Yes, from this story, what is the concept of event? They are the important things that happen in the story. That is called events, right? Tell the different events in the story from this. Yes, Leela lives in a village with her parents. She loves animals. She heard a noise. She saw a bird crying. The bird was hurt. Leela helped the bird and gave the food to it, right? The bird was happy and flew away, right? Yes, sequencing means what? Putting the events in the correct order, right? One by one சொல்றதுக்கு பேர் தான் sequencing, right? Now let's sequencing picture the stories that we have read the story in this last class, okay? See that. I told no, lived with her parents in a village. She loves animals and she heard a noise from the bird. Then some bird was crying. She gave food to the bird, right? She was happy and flew away, right? Do you understand from the sequencing? And also events, right? Do you understand, my dear children? Now, you will take your workbook, worksheet number 25, question number 2. I'll give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you are all opened your worksheet. See this, number the pictures in the correct sequence. See, you can see some picture of the story, Leela and the bird, right? So you have to number them 1, 2, 3 from put the sequence C, okay? Yes. Which question number you have to take? 2. What is the worksheet number? 25. See this. Which is the number 1? Yes, Leela loved animals. Then she heard the noise, right? She gave food to the bird. Then she was happy and flew away. What is the number 1? This is the number 1. Then number 2, number 3, number 4, right? See this, my dear children. First, she loved animals. She heard a noise. Then she gave food. Then flew away happily. So, let us check your answers. 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Yes. Now, let us move the next worksheet. Worksheet number 26. Question number 1. We read the story, right? See that vocabulary words. We have to match the word with pictures. First of all, we have to read the words. Flew, hurt, parents, crying, noise. See this. Where is that flew? Here having. You have to draw a line. Flew word with picture. Next, hurt. Here having that picture. You have to draw a line. Word with picture. Next, parents. Here having. Crying. Here. Noise. Here picture. Right? Yes. Yeah, see this, my dear children. So this like you have to complete this. Worksheet number 26, question number 1. You have to do it. After that, you have not finished means pause this video and then do it. Next question. Worksheet number 26, question number 2. See that. Number the picture in the correct sequence. Sequence means putting the things in correct order, right? Do you know that? Yes, see that? First egg, right? Next, koli. முட்டையிலிருந்து கோழி குஞ்சு வருதா? Next, வெடிக்க ஆரம்பிக்குதா? Right? So, which one is the first one? Do you know that? Yes, first egg da, first one. Number 2, which one? Yes, this one. After that, this is a chick. கோழி குஞ்சு வெளியில வருது. அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும்? கொஞ்சம் பெரிய கோழி ஆயிடும் இல்லையா? So, number 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Did you see in your homes, near your home having this like, right? First egg இருக்கும், அப்புறம் egg அடகாததுக்கு அப்புறம் கொஞ்சோண்டு வெடிக்கும். Next, next one, chick, after that, hen like that, right? Yes. So check your answers, my dear children. This is the answer from this. Now you have to take the SR book, SR 16, page number 59, Leela and the Birds. Just you have to read this story independently. I'll read this. You also read along with me, okay? Leela and the Bird. Author Namita Goel. Illustrations Gigi Benha. This is Leela. She lives in a village. She is 7 years old. She lives with her parents. She loves all animals. Leela heard some noise. She saw a big tree. She saw a bird crying. The bird was hurt. Are you read along with me? Yes. Leela helped the bird. She gave food to the bird. The bird was happy. The bird flew away. Let us see the vocabulary words. Parents, noise, crying, hurt, flow. So from this story, you have to read in your home independently. Shall I ask some questions from this? Would you like to be like Leela? Yeah, great. Have you helped any animal or bird, my dear children? Ninga help panikingla? Yeah, great, Kutima. Let us do one worksheet from this related story. Yes, now you will open your worksheet number 23, question number 2. I'll give 3 seconds time. You start counting 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you are all opened your workbook. Yes, see that. Write the events in the space below and then number them. So we have to write down the events here. After that we put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And also we have to write the theme of the story. Do you know that? Yes, I'll give 30 seconds time. You will list out and write that. After that, let us discuss the answer from this, okay? Do it now, my dear children. Write neatly. Yeah, I'll give 30 seconds time. You have to see the answers and write now. Let us check it. If you are not complete means you have to pause this video and write neatly, my dear children. Don't scribble your notebook, workbook, even SR book also, right? Just you have to improve your all skills, reading, listening, writing and speaking, right? Then phonics also from this Elga class. If you are not complete means you will pause the video and then write it, okay? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us move the grammar section. From this grammar section, shall we recap the action words? Now I'll show the some action words. You have to do the action for that, okay? Yes. Action words. Smile. Smile. Smile means பல்லு தெரியாம சிரிக்கணும். Smile. Laugh. Laugh. Laugh means நல்லா பயங்கரமா சத்தமா சிரிக்கிறது. Dance. Dance. Dance, you know that. Hit. Hit. Bat. Sing. Sing. Clap. 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 Draw. Draw. Think. Eat. Once again. Smile. Smile. Laugh. Dance. Hit. Bat. Sing. Clap. Snap. Write. Draw. Think. And eat. This one you have to do the actions in your home, my dear children. Just you have to read this action words like a game, okay? நீங்க இதை சொல்லி விளையாடுங்க in your home, okay? Yes. Let us see the CRP action words. Words that tell what people, animal or thing do. Example of different action words are draw, run, sit, dance, right? So do you understand, my dear children, action words? Yes. Now you will take your notebook. I gave some action words, right? I saw you, right? You have to write any 5 or 6 action words in your home neatly, okay? Write neatly, my dear children. Yes. Now let us move the writing and speaking expression skill from this drawing activity. We saw in our stories how animals share the planet Earth with us, right? Animals help us in many ways. So, we also need to care of them. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? நம்ம animals-ஐ care பண்ணணும், right? I want to you all of open your notebook, think and draw on the topic. How we can take care of animals. நம்ம animals-ஐ நம்ம எப்படி take care பண்ணுவோம் அப்படிங்கறத just you have to think and draw, okay? Yes, I'll show the sample drawing now. See that. Girl, cow. Girl, cow. This is the sample drawing for this, okay? So this is a cow. Cow gives us what? Cow enna kudukum? Milk. We should take care of cow by giving it food, right? We should not hit the cow with sticks. Nama adika kudadu, okay? I see many cows in my home, children. Near my village having many cows. So this is the sample picture to draw. You have to think and draw in your notebook now, okay? So first you have to use the sentence structure. This is about my drawing. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. We should not take care of cow by giving it food. We should take care of cow by giving it food. Nama daily cow ku enna kudukonu? Food kudukonu. We should not hit the cow with sticks. Nama cow enna panna kudadu? Adika kudadu. I see many cows in my village. This is some example about my drawing, my dear children. So in your home you have to think and draw about the topic. What is the topic? How we can take care of animals, okay? After that you will take your writing and speaking expressions page. I'll give writing upper and lower case letters W, X, Y and Z. You will write 3 times from your notebook. Yes. See this. W, X, Y, Z. Lowercase letter W, X, Y and Z. So you have to write three times in your home, my dear children. Write neatly. Yes. Great, Kutima. Shall we revise today's class? What we learned from today? In phonics section, we recap the segmenting. We wrote some dictation for that. After that whole words, we recap the whole words. Then we wrote a dictation also. Reading and listening comprehension, we read the story again. After that, we have completed some worksheet from that related. Then grammar section, action words. I show that, right? You will do the action in your home, okay? And then write 5 or 10 action words in your notebook. Then writing and speaking expression, you have to think and draw about the topic, how we can take care of animals, okay? Then now you after write upper and lower case letters W, X, Y and Z. You will write three times in your notebook. And also today's homework, my dear children, you will practice reading all the words in phonics section SR1, SR9 and 10, okay? All word families. Then whole words also you have to read all the whole words from your SR book, SR 19 page, okay? Bye. Thank you. Happy learning, my dear children.